So friends, have you ever wondered that which all are the placements of Rahu in the chart which can give you fame but no peace? I'm sure that you would have heard many celebrities talking about that irrespective of being surrounded by camera, paparazzi and their fans, they still feel very lonely and isolated. And I guess that is the only reason our saints and sages, they did not see Rahu as a auspicious energy. They have always seen it and described it as the most malefic planet. So friends, let's say for example, if you will see that Rahu is placed in the first house, the irony of first house Rahu is that this person is going to be very famous, but deep inside this person will not know that who is he. Like he will have that identity kind of confusion or crisis kind of situation. If you will find Rahu to be placed in the third house, it might be good for a content creator, but sometimes it can give too much of the mental restlessness as well. Rahu being placed in the seventh house, again, it holds the potential to give you fame, but when we talk about that you don't find your place in the relationship, it is a concern over here. Rahu's placement in the 10th house, it has been generally seen that it might be good for the career, for the fame, but sometimes there is always that fear of losing the status. Rahu being in the 11th house, again, you are a part of the collective, but irrespective of being all the noises around you, you find yourself lonely, isolated. And same is the case, friends, if Rahu is conjunct with either sun or moon, it has that potential to somehow like corrupt the individuality. The potential to be fulfilled and contented tend to go through lot of the ups and downs because Rahu is influencing your mind and your soul. So now comes the question, friends, what could be the remedy which we can do? So staying in the moment, meditation and worshipping goddess Saraswati, goddess Durga and Lord Kal Bhairav is the best way of dealing with or accentuating the positive side of Rahu.